Welcome to our channel. We are excited to share our knowledge and experience with you on how to succeed in CPA marketing using CPA Grip. CPA stands for Cost Per Action, and it's a type of online advertising where you only pay when a user takes a specific action, such as filling out a form or making a purchase. CPA Grip is a platform that helps you find and promote CPA offers, making it easier for you to earn money as a CPA marketer. You can visit www.cpagrip.com. I will show you all the steps in detail, so that you will understand better and help you convert well. So don't skip the steps and watch till the end. Firstly, you have to register to access the site and fill up all the details in the empty field. After filling up the required field, you can just enter register button and you will receive activation link in your mail inbox. Click the link to enter the dashboard of CPA Grip. Since I am already registered with this, I assume that you had already registered now. This is how the interface looks like after logging in, and this is not my real account. I have created this account to show you the demonstration on how CPA marketing can be done in a different way, as it will be a unique ways and create more potential in getting conversion. You will not find any YouTuber mentioned in the any videos. So do not skip any of the portion. Otherwise, it will be difficult to understand. Go to my offer and select the country where you can provide offers to. Remember that the offer will work only to the particular country you have selected to provide offers. I suggest you select email and zip submit, as it is very easy offer. They only need to submit email address or zip and you will be paid. Now, in order to promote the offers, first it is very important to have a landing page. So go to Google site. It is a free website. You can create a landing page. As I am here to show you all the free methods, and I will be happy to teach you as per my experience. You will not be charged or taken to any of the paid method. Click the blank template. You can keep any title as your wish, but remember, make it catchy and interesting so that people will opt in and submit their email or zip. As of now, I will keep the title as Take a Survey. You can change the font size, style or color as you wish to keep. With all things ready, now I will show you the secret recipe that will help you to get more traffic and get more clicks on your link. Go to ChatGPT. Write and tell ChatGPT to create an HTML document that contains a form with various input fields, including a select field for selecting a country, an input field for age, radio buttons for gender, and an input field for occupation. Include some CSS styles to make the form look nicer. Include submit button, and when the button is clicked, get the values of the input fields, and redirect the user to a different website based on the selected country. Also log the country, age, gender, and occupation to the console. And press enter to generate the HTML codes. Amazing! Here are the HTML code. See, it has generated the codes in a seconds. Isn't it amazing? Now copy the codes. Open the notepad and paste the code for the time being so that we can use it later. Now go back to CPA Grip and look for the offers to promote. I have decided to select the offers for United States, Canada and Australia. I recommend to select offers for mobile zip and email submission, since most of the people in the world are using Android and iOS phone. Now copy the link. Now, go back to the codes which was saved on the notepad. Down on the bottom of the code you will find the country's name and down a link. Replace the link with the CPA Grip offer link according to the country. Remember not to mess with code. Do not edit anything, just delete the link and replace the link between the inverted comma. Now I will select the offers for Canada and Australia as well. Since here it's given Mexico, I have to change it Australia to all the text where it is mentioned as Mexico. Now, select all the codes. Right now I am selecting and copying manually. You can also select all the codes by pressing Ctrl+A key. Go to Google site and click on Embed and paste all the codes and press Next. Now, you can see this interface. You can change its background color for better look and feel. You can see the drop-down select country option, and some survey question as well as submit button. You can now preview it, whether it's working or not. Let's test. It shows like this because this offer is not for my country. It can be viewed only by United States citizens. Since I have selected the offer for United States and it goes same for Canada and Australia vice versa. Now, to drive traffic to our landing page, we will use Pinterest. But before going to Pinterest, go to Canva to create a catchy picture to post on Pinterest, since Pinterest is all about visual. You can create better than mine. Download in JPG format. Now, go to Pinterest and upload the photo. Write a catchy title and description on online survey to attract the audience. I am keeping it as it is. I assume that you had got the ideas. Now, copy the Google site link and paste it. And you can finally publish. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do me the favor to like and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on my latest videos. And if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, let us know in the comments below.